This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for October 27th, 2023. It's currently September 10th, 2023, 4:05 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file we're about to play for the 27th reading was created on July 28th, 2023 at 2:08 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. So the overall theme and behavior for the day, we have the unicursal hexagram in the theme card position. It's also overlapping with the debauch card, which is a notable decline through multiple supports. You take the failure card on the overall theme for the day on the 1 month. It indicates we likely have a lowest low again here. My sense is that we may have had a peak at the end of the day or a high at the end of the day, and that's where you might want to. And then we have like this decline that either starts off of that peak from the prior day and continues into here, or it starts here off of a peak. So that's why it was a little tricky whether or not to open a long position at the end of the day yesterday. In any case, behavior around the highest high, we have an important price level near the high that will be able to play both sides of the market in some way regarding that price level. Behavior around the lowest low, we push the upper end of a range higher out of the low. So there's a big move out of the low, pushing the upper end of a range higher on a one-day chart kind of scale. I'm advised to trade around that decline, offering opportunity to open up a long position. And I think there's a day trade in here where in the midst of this, we have this peak first thing in the morning and a sharp drop or some bearish price swings here in the pre-market, taking us into volatility around the open where we have a fast sudden move higher, marking the end of that period of volatility. It's followed by a U-shaped dip in the first half hour between the intersection of two perpendicular diagonal trend lines. Off of a peak around 10, there's a notable decline taking us into a low for the day. Decline might continue a little bit later than 11. Pretty notable decline there. And in the midst of that decline, I'd open up a long position. We're going to rally somewhere around noontime. There's a rally that commences and should be able to close that long position if you time it right. Should be able to close that long position for a pretty notable move higher based on the Aeon card in the low position. And then we successfully turn resistance into support here between 1 and 2. That resistance then the support doesn't hold. It goes back to resistance between 2 and 3. And that's probably a resistance that we met many times before and failed to break through. And then in the last hour, there's a significant decline through multiple support levels, trade opportunity right around the close. You could open up a short position in the midst of that rally and close that short position at the end of the day in the midst of that decline into the close. And that's the S&P 500 for October 27, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. And my friends, you do so here at the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders. 5% of the profits donated forward to one of these charities, 5% of the profits back to the channel. Thank you very much, my friends. That leaves you with 90% of the money. As long as you follow those rules of karma, the universe is going to set it back to you tenfold through this channel for being an angel investor, my friends. I'll see you guys on the next one.